Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change folder color in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the home page and you can see if folder is available in your phone. Here I have two folder, okay, and here also I have one folder. Totally I have three folder in my phone. Okay, to change the color of the phone, just go to the particular folder and click on this button and you can change color. Click here and you can assign any color here. I select this blue color and click on done. And yes, blue color is now applied to this folder. Okay, so in this way you can easily change a folder color in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.